Okay, our next unit we're going to assemble is the 3-foot counter. It's non-illuminated, designated 3 FTR. This is basically a counter that just has hard sides and a locking door, sliding door. And we're going to show you how to put all that together. Again, we have our bottom bars, and you'll see there's Velcro on these, and that needs to face out so that the panels can be put together. We've got our 8 connectors, our feet. This is the actual lock. And we'll show you how that works. It goes on the door after you assemble everything. These are the 4 verticals. They have spacer, little spacer with the Velcro. And then we have the top panels, and they have the same kinds of thing. You will notice that on some of the top ends, there's a sliding door groove there, and we'll show you how that works. So the panels, we have a countertop with Velcro. This is a front panel. That's a fairly large panel. It fits the whole front. We have 2 sliding doors, and each one's got a finger hole in it. We'll show you how that goes. We have bottom shelf, has a hole for the electrical cord to go, and we got some side panels. So let's go ahead and start building. We're going to put the feet in. And once you put the feet in, you can leave them in for the next build. You don't have to take it all apart. But from the factory, probably they're separate. So on these, you want to have that Velcro facing up from the bottom parts. As we build, you'll see that those panels fit inside of the metal bars. And actually on the inside here, on the bottom, there's actually the Velcro as well. And you can see there's a plastic extrusion with grooves. That's what the doors are going to slide in. And when these corners go in, again, Velcro is on the inside of each. We're making a square of Velcro that panels are going to attach to. Chris is putting connectors on the top to get ready for the top bars. You can see the Velcro is on the inside there. And this is the front of the unit. The back horizontal bar has the other extrusion that the sliding doors will go in. So you can see we've created a square of Velcro. And we have that on the front as well as this side. We're going to flip it around, and we're going to put the top back on with that plastic extrusion facing down. Okay.
You can do the doors now.
Okay, we're going to put the doors in. So you can put the first door like in the back groove, and it'll kind of flex, and you put it in the back groove here. And we put the holes on the outside. And okay, and then we're gonna insert the door lock here while we have space. So basically, it just wraps around the door, and there's a little plastic nut that just has a pressure fit. So at least we get that in place. We're going to grab the second door, and that goes in the first groove. Again, flex it. And you can see in order to lock it, then you slide a little lock on, and you can just lock it, and that pretty much makes that secure. So now we're going to build out the rest. We're going to grab a side panel, pretty much lining up the Velcro. And that just fits inside the bars. We're doing the front. So the largest panel. Find the right side. Again, it's all just pressure. Just push it in. Oh, we can put the bottom in. The bottom is on Velcro as well. And it has that hole if you're using electronics. And that'll just tap in there. And get the last side. Give it a push, Velcro sticks. We bring that down. We'll just line up the Velcro on that. Give it a tap, about a 1-inch overlap. And that is your secure counter, and we'll put the lock on, and there you go. That is your 3-foot non-illuminated counter.